Hello, hello, hello. I got two of those now. That is very, very awesome. Is that? Ah, that's nice. So, I have Ariana Grande perfumes on my arm, and I want to go through the scents, try to explain the scents as good as I can in as good emotional lay terms, because I'm not a professional perfumer, of course. So I'm gonna start with Sweet Like Candy. Sweet Like Candy is smells marshmallowy and cotton candy, as they all do. I have four of them on my arm from Ariana Grande. And this smells like has caramel in it. Delicious it has. Smells like it has plum in it and fig. Very, very syrupy and heavy and wonderful and delicious. And this one here is Ari. This is a little bit more sparkly. This has some other fruits in it. I think they all have plum in it. This might have some grapefruit in it. It's very, very wonderful. Very nice summer perfume. So then I have Cloud. This is so incredibly good. This is very exquisite. Cloud. That's my favorite one of all of them. I think they all have some fantasy molecules in it, which are really, really nice. Cloud smells like cotton candy and marshmallow, plum, Stachelbeere. I don't know how Stachelbeere is called in English. I will have to research this now. Very nice. And then I have Moon, and that's very sparkly. That's like, that makes my water saliva. This is, this smells like yummy. This smells like some kind of slushy soda pop with ice in it. Oh, it's really good. Real, real sparkly. Silvery. Has grapefruit in it. Has all the other stuff in it too. Very sweet. Very fresh. Very summer-like. Very romantic. And then on this hand I have Gucci for Women, which is a very old perfume, came out somewhere in 1998 or something. This is very, very classic. classic scents, like classical music. Very syrupy, very, very thick, very heavy, with all the heavy stuff in it. Syrup, like maple syrup. And it's not easy. I had to sink myself into this video. I have to try to, because this is so difficult for me to make a video when I am upset. I don't know. I'm wondering whether I should turn it off now again. Because Paul read me the news, even though I said 40 times, don't read anymore. He kept on reading it. And right now I can sense it. He's still, and that's not really like a deliberate thing to aggravate me. I know he doesn't deliberately aggravate me, but it's because he is, when he reads the news, he gets into some kind, it fires him up. It fires his brain up, where it's like you're starting a train on a train rail, right? And the train picks up speed. And then someone says, stop, here's my boundary. Here, I put the boundary right over those rails. So is the train gonna stop? You know, with the best of intentions, is the train gonna be able to stop before that boundary? No. So that's exactly how his brain works. You know, he's fired up now over this news story about the niece of Donald Trump. And he had to read that to me. I had to say, please stop. It's like, I heard enough. I don't need to hear anymore. That lady needs money. Okay, so that's obvious. She needs money. And so she did this collaboration with the corporate agenda to slander Donald Trump and the whole family, because he gets money for it right up front already. You know, here's the paycheck from the mafia, the corporate agenda. You get some more later for the copies you're going to be selling worldwide. So that's how it works. So I don't know. She slanders him, so I'm not allowed to slander her, even though she slanders the heck out of someone else. But you know, there is a suspicion that comes into my mind. Why, you know, there are reasons why some people will sign a contract with the corporate agenda like that. Not to say, not to use the word contract with the devil. You know, so there's no devil, but there's the corporate agenda. Okay, and and they're only about power. They want Donald Trump out, so they'll do anything for their unobstructed path of corruption. When someone cares, which Donald Trump does, that's a red flag for the corporate agenda, because they don't want a caring politician. They want a politician like Dick Cheney, Barack Obama, and George W. Bush, who rolls out the red rug for the corporate agenda, who enables them, signs everything they want, right? Donald Trump doesn't do that, so that's why they want him out. They do anything. They create a pandemic. It goes very far. You'll be very surprised how far this goes. They create a riot. This is all planned. This is all instigated. It's all a plot. Okay. They have their middlemen, their organizers of that. And none of these things seem to really work as well as they thought it would. So now they bring out this shitty book. So hoping that that would turn people against Donald Trump. People, look at the things for what they are. Okay, don't go by what some shitty book says. I'm going to make another video with my other tablet that I have there, which has unlimited time, which I need for this subject, obviously. So, but yeah. I still wanted to. Yeah, and I will upload that to Nikki Daisy Redwood, so come to that channel. I have 4 active channels right now, and my tablet channels, I can take those into the garden, so that's nice. And this one and the Karen Society is the other one, which I have the other computer upstairs hooked on. Those 2 can only upload 15-minute videos. So Nikki Daisy Redwood and Nikki Loves Dogs can upload unlimited time. So because those are my older, those are grandfathered in channels that still have the unlimited time. So this is very nice. Yes, we are soothing Nicola's brain, and the perfume from Gucci Women is like a myelin sheet protector in the brain. And the Ariana Grande perfumes are all absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Absolutely lovely. And it is a lifesaver to have perfume oils. Yes, and it's a lifesaver to have these amazing unicorns. And Paul's brain needs a lot of Gucci women. The problem is he doesn't like any oils and perfumes. He's in extreme resistance towards it. Which is a pity, because it would enrich his life. It would make him feel better. If he had that on his neck, it would also make the ladies like him even more in the store. They would go, "Oh, I like your perfume. That smells yummy." They're not gonna think, "Oh, this is girly," or no, they go by how it makes them feel. But most men, they have this fear that if they put a female perfume on them, that it somehow could make them come across as a soy boy, as they call them, which is it's ridiculous. Yeah, I like soy boys. I think they're gorgeous. So they're compassionate. I like compassionate men. Peace and love. Take care.